I don't know अगर आपको दिख रहा है. Absolutely pretty. Yeah. Hey guys, this is me Tracy and welcome back to my vlogs. It's raining outside. You see? So guys, you all know today is Valentine's Day and I got bunch of flowers, pretty flowers by Kirti. Yeah. Look how pretty is that? So pretty. And also, so I've got 2 bouquets. Literally. This is the second one. I got it. I just put it in the water. I have to arrange them well because it's not yet arranged. So let's do it. First, I am making brunch for us. Then after I will do that. Yeah.
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Vivan don't want it. It's okay, Vivan. Mama will eat it. You don't have it. Okay?
I want no money.
You got no money?
Yeah.
It's for free, Vivan. It's okay. You just have to give me hugs and kisses. That's it.
Wait, the banana doesn't money.
Huh? You want money? What is it? What did you say?
It's a money.
Vivan, and also what Vivan is doing is Vivan saving us from the bad guys since morning. I'll show you what is he doing. And
It's full.
I am making
A full.
noodles here.
Oh,
So yummy.
it's a full.
And this is,
Full.
it's cold. Yeah, Vivan, it's cold. And I'm making fresh warm noodles for you.
What? I don't want it.
You don't want it? Okay, you still have to eat it. So guys, happy Saturday. आप लोग का Saturday कैसा जा रहा है? Yay, me and Vivan, we are having fun here.
That's a banana.
So guys, I'm making veg hakka noodles. मैंने इसे boil कर लिया है. And so guys, मैंने इसमें बहुत सारी veggies डाली हैं. Like onions, capsicum, bell pepper, carrots and also the cabbage. So आपको जो जो veggies पसंद है आप वो डालिए. कौन सी sauces use कर रही हूँ मैं? I am using chili sauce, chili vinegar, soy sauce and
I don't want it.
tomato ketchup. That's it.
I don't want it.
So this is Vivan's police car. And where's your policeman? And this is his policeman. And it's inside the car and it's going all over our kitchen counters. Right, Vivan?
Yeah.
And you're saving us from
Yeah.
what?
I need it. Look at the website.
You need to save us from the bad guys?
Yeah. The water need to stop it.
Okay, stop it. Go stop it.
No, we're not the police car.
Yeah, we'll go in the police car.
There's a door. There's a bat.
Okay,
She got a bat.
okay.
We are not this one.
Yeah, so guys, हम हमारे घर में नूडल्स, पास्ता, रोटी यही सब रिपीट में बनाते रहते हैं. ये बेसिकली हमारे फेवरेट फूड है. तो गाइस, आप लोग क्या खाते हैं रिपीट में? आई डोंट नो. वेजिटेरियन के घर में तो यही बनता है. एंड हम दोनों वर्किंग भी हैं तो हम इतनी वैरायटीज़ नहीं बनाते हैं. बट हम हाँ बेसिक फूड बनाते हैं जो हम रिपीट में खा सकें. तो ना मैं इसमें डाल दूँ थोड़ा सा विनेगर एंड थोड़ी सी ग्रीन चिली सॉस. Now soy sauce. I think soy sauce और भी लग जाएगी. मैं कोई मेजर करके नहीं डालती हूँ. मैं बस अंदाजे से डाल देती हूँ. कम ज़्यादा लगा तो हम आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं. एंड ये हमारी टमाटो सॉस. Just to give some more flavor, tanginess. मुझे लगता है इसमें टमाटो सॉस और लगेगी. And now the best part, add noodles. Uh-oh.
What, Mama?
Nothing. Noodles working. Battery? So we just have to mix it well. No, Bevan, I've got no boo-boo. So I'm trying to mix it with two of the items. इस noodles को mix करना is difficult. That's what I feel. After noodles. I don't know. Chef लोग इतने अच्छे से mix कैसे करते हैं? But yeah, I'm no chef. Okay. I'm just a normal person. Just like you all. So I struggle. I hope chef लोग भी struggle करते हो. But guys, by doing this, you know, this reminds me of this guy named सौरभ नेत्रवलकर. आप लोग उसे जानते हैं? आपको पता है ना अभी IPL हो रहा है, T20 IPL. एंड उसमें वो खेल रहा है. एंड वो ओरेकल में प्रिंसिपल सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है. आपको पता है ये बात? ओके. कैसे कर रहा है वो? आई हैव नो आइडिया. मतलब भाई अभी छुट्टी लेके ओरेकल से गया है खेलने के लिए. एंड अगर इनकी USA टीम सिलेक्ट हो जाती है देन वो अपनी छुट्टियां और बढ़ाएगा. बट जब वो क्रिकेट मैच खेल के वापस आएगा अमेरिका अपनी कंपनी में जॉब करने, देन उसके पास यूजर स्टोरीज होंगी टू वर्क ऑन. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन रिलेट इट बट दिस इज सो फनी एंड ही इज इंडीड वेरी टैलेंटेड पर्सनैलिटी टू. ही इज आवर एज एंड ही इज डूइंग ऑलरेडी सो मच इन हिज लाइफ. अनदर फनी फैक्ट बताऊं, प्रॉब्ली ही मस्ट बी ऑन हिज H1. सो वो H1 में अमेरिका को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है बट ही इज इंडियन एंड इस कंट्री के लिए खेल रहा है एंड ही इज डूइंग रियली गुड. प्लस ही इज सो टैलेंटेड. आई डोंट नो सचिन तेंदुलकर या फिर यू नो विराट कोहली या फिर और सारे क्रिकेटर्स क्या सोचते होंगे, उससे इंस्पायर होते होंगे क्या कि यार ये तो पढ़ाई में भी इतना अच्छा था, स्पोर्ट्स में भी इतना अच्छा था. ही इज लाइक एवरीवेयर. So yeah, that's the thought. With that thought,
You're branded.
huh?
You're branded.
My bandit? Okay. So Vivan got me bandit. He thought I tripped, but I'm not. मैं थोड़ी सी imbalance हुई थी, इससे लगा मुझे चोट लग गई. So with that, हमारे noodles are ready. Let me clean up and I'll try and let you know how it is. Okay? See you soon. Guys, एक और चीज़ जो मैं डालना भूल गई थी वो है ये sesame seed. I love adding that and also मैंने cilantro भी डाली है. So मैं थोड़ी सी sesame डालूंगी and cilantro मैंने डाल दी है. बस अब मुझे मिक्स करना है. No mixing? I have to mix it. And guys, बाहर इतनी झमाझम बारिश हो रही है. दिख रही है? रुको आपको अच्छे से दिखाती हूँ. इतनी झमाझम बारिश हो रही है, मज़ा आ गया देख के. मतलब वाओ. एक्चुअली पकौड़े और चाय खाने का दिन है बट मैंने बनाई है नूडल्स. बट इट्स ओके. ओ विवान इज देयर टू हेल्प मी. या विवान 1 second. हाँ? What's what? Yeah, that's your step. कितनी अच्छी बारिश हो रही है, मज़ा आ गया. विद दैट हम नूडल्स एंजॉय करते हैं. गाइस मेरे नूडल्स रेडी हैं और पीछे का वेदर भी आपको दिख ही रहा है. इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड दिस इज हाउ द नूडल्स आर लुकिंग. सो यम्मी, सो टेस्टी एंड लेट मी ट्राई इट.
Well, your new toothbrush. This one. We're gonna use it today.
इट्स सो गुड. और आप भी जाइए अपना सैटरडे एंजॉय करिए अपने वैलेंटाइन के साथ.
Today
Because
we'll
I
use
am
it.
enjoying
Not
with
right now,
my
not right now.
Valentine's.
Let me brush All right now. Eat.
and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey guys. So, aja. So guys, this is evening 6:06 p.m. and you are watching the beautiful sunset with me. And it's Saturday. I was being so lazy around the whole day, and also I worked a little bit, office work. And then after I exercised 45 minutes, here I am. I took the shower and I'm all fresh, but look at this beauty, guys. This is so beautiful.
We were here.
Yeah, I am glad I'm out this time. Let me
Mom, there's a song.
turn around the camera and I'll show you. Huh? Yeah, I see that. Wow. I don't know अगर आपको दिख रहा है. Absolutely pretty. Yeah. Guys, आपको दिख रही है हमारे यहाँ grasses almost green हो रही है. But look at that. It's so pretty.
It's dirty.
Sturdy. So guys, आप लोग Saturday क्या कर रहे हैं?
It's dusty. There's no water.
There's no water
Yeah.
because it rained, Vivan. I don't know why there's no water. So much water here all around. Guys, मेरा थोड़ा कुछ plan बन रहा है. My plan is
Mom, we need a new water.
I want to take out
Mom,
all
we
the
need
same.
a new
Hey guys. So you guys remember जो मीठी नीम थी, हम में से करी लीव्स भी बोलते हैं, हमारे साइड में से करिया पत्ती भी बोलते हैं. So वो जो ड्राइड वन थी जिसको मैंने रखा था, एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव डन इज लाइक मैंने उनकी जो ऐसी स्टेम होती है इसमें से लीव्स को प्लक कर दिया है मोस्टली, एंड स्टेम्स को साइड कर दिया है, all of it, most of it. Now I'm gonna make a powder of it and I will store it, and then you know whenever मैं कोई dry सब्जी बनाती हूँ then I will just put it on it, and then कभी कोई रायता बनाती हूँ so then I will also, you know, those time also I will just sprinkle some of the powder in it. So let's do that. So guys, it's very simple. I am gonna put I'm gonna put leaves slowly. Like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a powder of it. Everyone wants to do it. Look, guys, smells so good. Okay, come
Here.
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 What happened?
We need this one. The walls are not so loaded. Not loaded. We need it. Mom, I need to hold it.
You need to hold it.
Yeah. I
Okay.
need to wash my head. We need to wash it. This is mine.
Uh oh. Come on, can I have it?
No, you have
Okay,
it.
let's hold it. Hold it. We'll write it together. Curry powder.
I want to
Yay! Okay, close it.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, that's how we did it, and we're gonna save it for future use. Yeah. So guys, curry powder is ready, and today's dinner is all about leftovers. Leftovers from last night, जो हम restaurant गए थे, and also फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग जो हमने नूडल्स बनाए थे, हमने लाइक अबाउट इवनिंग टाइम फॉर लाइक दैट हमने एक पिज़्ज़ा हीट करके खाया था, फ्रोज़न पिज़्ज़ा. Yeah, so that's all about it. And then I have a question about, you see this wall? This is our dining area wall. So I am trying to put the wallpaper in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the hole, that how much I need from top and through the sides, and after that I'm gonna order. I like something floral for this wall because we have very less light over here until, you know, throughout the daytime. This is like a little dark area in our house. So mostly, still I wanted to put something light. Let's see. I'm gonna share it with you guys कि what I ended up choosing the wallpaper for this wall. But yeah, this is the idea for now to enhance this area. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, this is 116 by 128. Height is 116. Yeah. So now I need to go and measure. I mean, find the correct wallpaper for the wall, and I'm gonna install it once it is here. I have to find it also. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm gonna eat the leftovers from the other days, and that's it, and I'm call it for a day. That's the measuring tape. Okay, so till then, thank you so much for watching, and if you like watching my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.